27th of August. We're in Sestriere. We had dinner up here, just up here. They're called the restaurant's just here. We went the long way. La Beata Baita. And I've managed to develop a bit of a throat bug. Just started gargling salt water. Feeling pretty strained because of the throat infection. We've got one big climb, the Finestre, but mercifully we're not doing the section that's got the dirt. We're now waiting for the little sports shop to open because Rudy wants to have a go at putting more air into his back tyre because he punctured. And of course, Giorgio with the bike shop not only didn't bring any extra spare tubes, he didn't even bring a track pump. So we better. Some fancy accommodation around, eh? Sports groups, kids, athletic kids everywhere. Very much a sports orientated town. I reckon they're going to play soccer. Soccer boys. There's the one of the impressive hotels. There's that coloured thing. Boy, that's a bit steep. That's what we took photos of last night. Changes colour. These buildings here, eh? The Stube. Let's switch off. Finally on our way from Sestriere, and God knows what that is over there. Missed out on a good film opportunity. Try and get a bit of a view over here, some of the valley. Beautiful. We're heading down there. You can see that. Some fantastic scenery up ahead. We're heading into that valley area there. We got ourselves a bit of a lake and a dam, I think, a digger as they call them here, and another little town. Starting to feel a bit achy in the chest, so let's hope I can get through this day okay. Some weird names around here. Purres, what the hell's that? So we're heading towards Torino again. I'm thinking we're going to go through Torino. We're heading to Como tonight. Tomorrow's the Lago di Como. Our first tunnel, and I just want to get out of it. It's all downhill. Oh. What about it? Huh?
My eyes filled up with water and I had all that spray all over my face at night. I could get it off.
Straight on.
That was a prick, that fucking thing. Come in, it's fucking doing a million miles an hour.
Keep the gearing light through here. We don't know what we're going to cop. So this is Sestriere, okay? We'll get a view of the fortress wherever that is. Keep your eyes peeled. Oh, there it is.
Car coming up.
The fortress is back there. And another one. Like we used to get these in Slovenia. Another one. I'm trying to avoid the cobble. Good, the fortress is up there somewhere. What? It's pretty cold through here. I'm not wearing my spray jacket. My Capaway, as they call it. Capaway is just a brand or something. That's all it is. Where the hell's Rudy? Bloody hell. Look at this place. We're going now to do the Colle Delle Finestre. The Assietta Colle is the one that's got no, which is pave, not pave. Trying to get my thoughts right here. And this is it. This is it. Okay. God help us. And God, ci vediamo.
Dove fa il Giro d'Italia?
Sì.
Dove passa il Giro d'Italia? A Sietta, arriva
Sì.
a Sestriere. Poi
Ma noi devo andare con le finestre.
Colle Delle Finestre.
Sì, ok.
Colle Delle Finestre.
35 k's.
It's supposed to be 25. Pretty soon I'll have to get these arm warmers off. Already 9%. Mick, it's going to be a hot day, and we're Gonna get you a bit more sunburn. Left the bloody sun cream at the house. We've only just started climbing. Look how high up we are already. Oh. For the last 5-6 k's, I think, I don't know. We've done 600 meters, 625, and it's 10:37. It's been averaging between 9 and 11%. Yeah, we're going too slow. How you doing? Straight on, man, that way. And we've been blessed by a nice easy stretch here. Get the breath back. Copped a bit of dirt road. Hopefully it'll end soon. It may not. Let's hope there are no punches or falls. You never know. Stopped for a ease the back pain session for me. Rudy's going pretty well today, so I don't know, the dirt road riding seems to have upset my back really badly, so very strange. I was going really nicely, but it's nice and soft. But there's the scenery there. We're up at about 1900 meters, I'd say. It's the Fort Sainte-Marie, which is there. God knows what town that is down there. Oh. Filming now. This is the Finestre, and that's Assietta. We've got Jean-Pierre with us again. He's just behind me. Great. He got 2,176 meters. Colle Delle Finestre. Have a look at that descent. It's dirt. Far. Maybe we should go down it. Pierre! Jean-Pierre, wait with us. We'll take photo. Another guy in a chock frame's made it. And I think he's going back down that way. Va in discesa da qui.
Sestriere,
Cesara. I'd like to go that way, but...
Più bella di... fondo bello.
È sterrato.
Serrato ma rovinato o bello?
Non sono sicuro. Dirt road, as you can see there. All that area there, it's all dirt. It's, I think 8 k's of dirt. Or more, I don't know. But what a pity, because, you know, just cop those switchbacks. Oh, nice dog. Look at the switchbacks. Far out. Some babe action. Colle Delle Finestre. He's there. I'm just going to try and hopefully we'll be able to see him. There he is. He's going really well. Va bene. He's moving. Oh, smokes. Dai Giorgio! Va bene.
What's he got on his wheels?
Looks like those reflecty things, doesn't it? He's going very well, va bene. Meet him. Very good pedaling action, I must say. Giorgio, guarda qui.
Vai, Sebastian. Vai.